35 kilograms in our laundry factory. I don't know how many pieces to put in. Let it go anyway. Look at these light-colored wool clay. A 35 kilograms multi-volume dry cleaner. This is a lot of contraceptive. Not 4-to-1. Look at it, just installed in a laundry factory. This is a laundry factory for the internet. I'll take a look. So many clothes are not satisfied. Only half right. Have you put a few more pieces in half? Is there any more? And yes. I'll wait for you soon. Let's see it for us all. Big machine like this. Then wash clothes. Wash clothes quickly and well. Low energy consumption. And you see this machine is so big. It's actually built-in steam. This machine has 30 kilograms. It uses built-in steam. This is a small boiler, built-in boiler too. This is a built-in drying boiler. There is also a built-in distillation boiler. This machine can be used to dry and distillate. 35 kilograms can also be used for built-in boiler. There shouldn't be many such structures. It's not easy to dry this structure. Because this kind of machine generally uses external steam, because there is no external steam in this factory. There is no condition, but there is no shortage of electricity, so we can only use electricity. Take a look at 35 kilograms of charge. Forward shooting and filtering, deep shooting and steaming, big guy, 2 meters high, more than 2 meters high. This machine has an empty load of 1.5 tons, 2.5 tons, 2.5 tons, and a weight of 2.5 tons. Big guy is much taller than. Let's wash clothes later to see what the effect. Quite finished the game. I just showed the boss 2 episodes. Very satisfied after reading it. Close the door, close the door.
Door closes, door closes.
Look at this big machine. He has half of the clothes he has put on. Half a year. Come on, operate. Press the door lock. Program 2. Light color clothing. Program start. Okay. It's very simple to operate. Start with 1 click. Touch screen. Look at the hobby box used here. Number 1 box, wash dark color. Number 2 box, wash light color. This machine. Now he has a solvent cycle before washing his clothes. It is what we call flushing pipes. Flush all the pipes. After rinsing, then oil is added. See, oil is added now. It works by circulating first, then oil is added. He uses a liquid pump to directly hit the oil in. This has a great impact. Use this strong momentum and wash off the dust and fluff on the clothes. After washing, filtering this clothes after light-colored clothes come out. Including light colors, including dark colors, less hair on it. Because when he was rushing, do you see this oil? With such a great momentum, it will fluff out the dust and fluff on it. Then blow the hair off after a larger fan. Don't install too much. There is no space inside after the carbon is full. Or he can't turn it up in the future, and the hair on it will not be blown clean. Appropriately dress up and leave some space for him. Just install this yellow line here. 2/3 versus 2/3, about 3/5. Right or 2/3. Leave some space for him to open when he flips it. Then rely on this to wash and blow with this fan. You can remove all the dust and hair inside. After this dress comes out, it will be much easier for us to pinch hair. Yes or no? If it is too full, it will dry slowly after it is too full. Then what? The hair is not clean. After coming out, you have to manually stick it. Wasted the follow-up time. Right. So try to leave some space for him when it is placed. Look at how dirty the clothes are. See, there are about 20 clothes in this one. How dirty these clothes are. After washing. Then the dust on the clothes came down. See it? Big machine, this 35-kilogram big machine. It has a strong shaking force. Much cleaner than a small machine. The small machine cannot be turned on. Not so much force. So it's clean after washing. Look how fast this is under the dust. Yes or no? Look, the dust is gone. The oil is black. If it's done washing, it's going to be so clean. You see if it's gone down. It was washed out directly. It's the hot stuff inside. Dust, 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 dust. Dust, 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 dust. Dust, 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 dust.